Guys, I'm going to announce it here. Big news. The reason that we're going crazy with Mamba's motor and everything else is we are going to... That's Mamba's motor, guys. What is up, fam? This message finds you all, Wonder Spirits. Welcome to our all-new Bronco giveaway. But what's more exciting about that? Not only get new Bronco merch, but enter to win our epic mini giveaways. That's right, we have our new turn bike, which folds away, fits in your Bronco. We also have cool stuff like coolers, this helmet, some outdoor stuff. Go to Stangmode.com, grab some merch, enter to win. Good luck.
What's happening?
What's up, baby? Big day today.
Yeah, we're gonna sleeve your block.
Uh-oh, I got a new camera just for this.
And new stunner shades too.
You know what? New stunner shades. This zooms like crazy. Focus is perfect.
I like it.
So, guys, let me just tell you, if you don't know, I say in the intro again, we are here to sleeve Mamba's motor.
We're sleeving Mamba's block today.
This is the first time you're gonna see a Coyote sleeve process, right?
Yeah, it's the first video we put out for
Alright,
block.
start to finish, we're excited.
Start to finish on the machine work, yep.
What you got doing? What's going on here?
Here I'm just blowing off a Gen 1 that we just machined for sleeves.
Alright.
I'll pull that out, we'll get your block ready and we'll throw it in.
Sounds good. Alright guys, this is Mamba's block. Stock block. But remember, we are now going to see the sleeving process. This is going to be pretty exciting. So, Maestro, what's the plan? What's the process? How does it work?
Alright, well first we reference off of the back of the block here. So we want to make sure that's nice and smooth. The back of the block's going to rest against that big plate there. Okay. And we'll bolt it up to that. So first I'll run a file over this. Clean up any high spots, dent stings, pry marks from disassembly.
Sure. Now, did you already bore and hone the cylinder walls, or that happens post?
No, we haven't done anything.
Nothing. Okay. All right.
This is just as it came apart in your last video. Just
okay.
as it sits.
All right.
So, all right, here we go. We're going to the machine with it. Filthy block.
Yeah, it's pretty dirty. It is dirty. It's definitely got a lot of belt shrapnel.
A whole lot.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully we can fix that with the temper it.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
Yep. Well, I guess I'll spoil it. Surprise! I mean, you know we're gonna go twin turbo, right?
Oh, I didn't know the public.
Yeah. Well, let's you know what? Everything's on back order, so by the time I finally announce it, we'll have a full electric Mustang by then. But no, guys, I'm gonna announce it here. Big news. The reason that we're going crazy with Mamba's motor and everything else is we are going to twin turbo the Black Mamba. But this is the beginning of the process. If you want to get the most out of your setup, this is where it starts. Building the motor, and I heard people say, you know, you don't have to sleeve your block. Can you explain to the people why that's so important?
Why sleeving is important? I mean, the 18 pluses do hold more power. They seem to hold more power than, you know, the Gen 1, Gen 2 stuff. But the major difference, and we talked about this before, is the plasma bore liners. They won't take anything really but a stock ring. You got to put a steel ring in this that's made for boost. It's going to tear these walls up over time.
Yeah.
So while you have it all apart, while you're putting pistons and rods in it, you might as well go ahead and sleeve the block.
Exactly. I mean, because we're chasing, we want to chase 1500 wheel if you can.
Yeah.
So.
And everybody's goal is always bigger than what they started out with.
Exactly.
You want 750 horse today, you're going to want 1,000 horse in
exactly
6-8 months.
My goal was to see 1,000 and stop, and now we're trying to get 1,500. So there you go.
That's what I mean.
Now, does everybody have a different process to actually doing a sleeve, or is it just exclusive to how you guys do it? Or
I mean, every shop does it different. Every shop does something different. So yeah, I mean, I guess you could say our sleeving process is unique to
what you
other
do.
people's.
Wonderful. It's a heck of an ashtray you got here.
Oh yeah, ashtray. that right there is about 13 to 14 blocks worth of
shavings, huh?
Shavings after machining for sleeves.
Man.
First step would be getting the deck level. We're leveling the deck to the cutting head here. Get rid of anything that's going to screw my level up. Now we'll bring the block close. What we're going to do is we're going to find the exact location of this first hole here.
Okay.
And what I have, what I use is it's a homemade indicator, and yeah, we'll go and put our cutting inserts and everything dead on center with this first hole. Yeah?
Yep.
Alright, let's do this.
Let's do it, guys. What are we looking at here, brother?
Alright, what we got here is the sleeves. Woo. You got a flange up at the top of the sleeve. They interlock with one another. It's a thick wall. So the difference between this and the plasma board is obviously your thickness, and you got your steel here. It's a ductile iron steel that we use. Where the factory, again, is just that plasma bore.
Sure.
These will take the abuse of the steel ring that we go to put in.
Yes.
And it's also going to take the abuse of the heat.
Okay.
So,
yeah.
that, and it also does help a lot with sealing head gaskets.
Ah.
Which you'll see the head gasket's going to seal up on that flange.
And power capability? Or
we haven't broke one yet due to power.
Okay. Alright. Sky's the limit horsepower.
As of right now.
And we get 8 of these bad boys. Alright, thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
No problem.
And we're going to show you guys the process of them when it's finished, because we're not going to show you all L&M's secrets, because there's obviously artwork to it, but we'll be over there. You'll see how the finished product looks. But right now, guys, Mamba's motor is getting all the jam, and I'm pretty excited because, like I said, we revealed the secret that yes, we're going twin turbo with the Black Mamba, but it all starts here at L&M Engines by what we're doing, by not only sleeving, but we will be what? We'll be camming the motor.
Yeah, we'll be putting cams in it.
L&M cams.
L&M cams, L&M pistons, ported heads.
Pistons, rods.
ARP hardware.
Yep. Are we going to say anything about like what's going on because of the whole COVID crap? Like this is how it is?
Back order and all that?
Yeah.
I mean,
it is what it is.
A little while for your engine, but
it is what it is, guys. We're really thankful we got Hulk's motor finished.
Yes.
But it is what it is because you all know how COVID goes. Things are on back order. So stay patient. We'll bring you the coverage as we go. Chris literally called me and said we're ready to do the sleeve, so we're here. We'll bring it to you.
That's it.
Appreciate you guys. Appreciate L&M Engines. Check them out. Link in the description. Now it's time to show you the finished sleeved Mamba Coyote motor. All right, what do we got here, bro?
All right, here's everything from machining them plasma bore liners out.
Wow. Jeez. You don't get any splinters?
Try not to.
Your probably hands are probably so set
doing
up
this
right
for
over
so
the
long.
years. It didn't even look like it got that much material out. Then you open it up, it's like, holy cow. Can I make a chain out of this? All right, guys, our all-new Bronco giveaway is live. But what do we have back now? Our mini weekly giveaways. We have a special surprise to show you guys. I'm gonna get this cooler, these gas cans of smoker, but what do we got here, brother?
This is our new 7-speed foldable. Boom.
Ooh.
Boom. Wait. Just bear with me here. Bear with me. There we go. Foldable, super light trunk bike. Look at this.
There you go, guys. Go to Stangmode.com. Remember, we announced the winner of our mini outdoor pack in 1 week. Enter now, Stangmode.com. Enter to win our grand prize, the 2021 Bronco, and also this epic stuff here. All right. Good luck.